So guys, this is our spare magnetic compass, and you can see here there are bubblets. We have see bubblets though.
Yes, bubblets is here.
Yeah, bubblets. Okay, I don't know if you can see the video, guys. So this is a very big. These are very big bubbles. So now we're gonna show you how to get rid of these bubbles by injecting some fluid. So basically, this is the fluid. This is the fluid, and then we have also the syringe. So this is the syringe we use. You can use also like with the needle, syringe with needle, but this one has titi, guys. As it looks like, see this one. So I don't think we need needles, correct? Because we have this protruding shape already, so we can apply directly to the magnetic compass. So this is the fluid. So this is a combination of distilled water and ethyl alcohol, guys. So if you smell this one, so you can smell that there is an alcohol content inside that one. So the first thing to do is to locate the hole in which we refill the fluid. Okay, do you find the hole? So can you put that in a very good position? Okay, guys. So this is the hole, guys, in which in which a liquid pass through. So this one is very good because there is still label, so filled with C flat compass fluid. Do not use alcohol. You say do not use alcohol. Maybe this is pure alcohol, but normally this is a combination of distilled and ethyl. So we're gonna remove this one, guys. So in our case, this is an Allen wrench, and as you can see here, can we put like this so that I can see the bubbles now? Okay, we will see the bubbles now, guys. Here, can you see the bubble? This one. So this is the bubble. So now we're gonna remove the Allen, then we will refill with fluid. Okay. So this one, guys. So this is now the situation here right now. Yes. So okay. Yeah, you can open now. So Allen wrench, we're just apply a quick jerk, guys, because it's a little bit tight, you know. So,
yes, correct.
A little bit tight. So I'm going to show you how to slack or to open this wrench. So guys, now it is open now. So now we will inject fluid into this hole to get ready bubbles. Okay. See here, guys, the level of fluid is already full. This is already overflowing, yeah. But the problem is we do still have a bubble. So not all bubbles are removed. So we need to use. So we plan to use the syringe with needle to get rid of these bubbles. So actually, guys, we successfully removed the bubbles inside the magnetic compass. But we learned something actually very unique during our refilling of fluid inside, because supposedly the bubbles facing here, as you can see the bubbles here. Normally this during the first parts of the video, so you'll see the very large bubbles here, something like that. But during our refilling period, the hole is already full of water, which is overflowing now. The liquid that we poured inside the magnetic compass is already overflow, but the bubbles still exist. So what we did, guys, is to invert the magnetic compass to transfer the bubbles on the other side. So you reverse. So let's say, for example, it's already full. So the position, guys, let's say the actual position. Okay, just make it vertical. No, other side. So actually, guys, this is the position where we refill the liquids, because this is the Allen. So meaning to say, guys, what we observed earlier was just the fluid inside there is overflow, but the bubbles still remain inside. You can see from large bubbles, but we have still tiny bubbles remain. So what we did is to reverse. We transfer the bubbles here, guys, which is visible here. We transfer to the other side. So what we did is to reverse. So like this. So Toto Eduardo will reverse. So this is it. So in this position, guys, when you reverse the magnetic compass, the bubbles, you can see the bubbles floating here. So now to remove the bubbles, the remaining bubbles, you must align it to the hole where you refilling the liquid. So this is, guys. So and then once it is, let's say for example, the bubble is transferred, you transfer in this position, guys. This is the small hole. So you must align the bubbles to this hole. So okay, put it vertically. Then since let's say for example, guys, the syringe we use, there is no needle, so we decided to use this syringe with needle. So this is it, guys. So and then once you refill, guys, we do the technique like the sucking and injecting. So inject, then sucking, then until the bubbles all remove. So do not forget just to align, meaning to say, if the bubble, small bubble exists here on the back side, make sure that it is really aligned to this hole, because you cannot remove the tiny bubbles if you will not, let's say, like guide the bubbles through this mouth, through this hole. So that's it, guys. So I hope you learned something from this video, how to refill fluid inside the magnetic compass to remove the bubbles. So don't forget to click and share if you are happy with the video. Thank you, guys. See you next.